Hey, this is Adam from AdzProductions, and today I'm going to be pretty much taking the components out of the HAF 932 case and putting it in the Antec 1200 case. Let's go ahead and do it. It's going to be a time lapse, so it's going to be sped up a lot. Here we go.
And voila, we have power. Now, a few things haven't come on, such as the fan here and the blue LED lights at the front, but I'm just going to go and fix all those problems now. But the main thing is that the computer turns on, so it's a success. I'm going to go over the quick positives and negatives of this case. The first positive that I can see is this fan at the top is very strong and exhausts cool air out of the top. Also, the fact that it has a lot of fans is a great positive, because it allows the airflow just to be higher on the case, meaning that hopefully, fingers crossed, the case will never overheat due to inadequate air cooling. Also, you have a window on the side, right here. This pretty much allows you to show off to your friends all the components that you have inside, if you want to take it to a LAN party or whatever. We also on the back have water cooling tubes, well, the holes for them to pass through. Also we have a fan controller thing at the top. Let me just see if I can quickly zoom in for you there. I think you can just about see them there. These allow you to change the controllers, so if you flip them all up. As you can see, I turned on the blue LED at the top. Right here, there's this switch here. Basically, they allow you to do the speeds of the fans, and this is the LEDs of the fans. So here, look, you can see the top is going on and off. Turn that on. So yeah, basically, I'm going to get to work on making sure the fans work. The negatives about this case. Perhaps this glass on the side may be a concern because it may scratch, because at the end of the day nothing stays in pristine condition, so this may scratch or may break. It depends how you treat it. If it's going to sit on your floor, all you're going to do is all you're going to do is press the power button, then I wouldn't worry about it. What else do we have? To be honest, the only negative I can really point out is the hard drive cage. This is just down to personal preference, but I don't really like the design of it. There'll be a link in the description of what the hard drive cage is actually like. Unlike my previous case, as seen there, a mess on the floor. Unlike my previous case, this hard drive enclosure is bad. It works, but I much prefer the Coolermaster HAF 932 case in terms of hard drive mounting. So thanks for watching the quick case transfer thing review. I just want to let you, thanks very much for Antec for sending me out the Antec 1200. There will be updates on my website about this case. Feel free to visit www.adzproductions.co.uk. Visit the videos section and you'll be able to see various in-depth kind of things about the Antec 1200. So yeah, thanks for watching AdzProductions. Please excuse the horrible cable management you're about to see, but this will be improved. I just managed to fix the fans, so now we have 2 blue fans at the back, 3 at the front, and 1 big one at the top. The computer is now fully functional. All aspects of the case are now working, apart from this, which I do not wish to plug in. This is an eSATA port, which pretty much means you can get like an external hard drive with an eSATA port. You put it in and it's supposed to be faster connection. I'm not actually quite sure on the speed of it, but yeah. So yeah, just a quick update from the last clip that I put in the video was now the computer is actually working. It feels so much cooler than my previous case. I do have an option to put a fan on the side. I'm going to buy one of them, but not yet. In comparison, yeah, that's the only negative for me, is that there's no fan on the side, because in the Coolermaster HAF 932 there was a really big 120mm fan on the side. But yeah, I suppose it makes up for it with the 2 on the side, 3 on the front, and in there's only 1 on the front. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. But yeah, now I have an Antec 1200 case instead of the Coolermaster HAF 932. Once again, check my website for more updates. Because, well, it's my Twitter actually, but it'll be on my website. So twitter.com/AdzProductions. See you later.